Hi guys, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. In this guide video, I will be showing you how to delete Instagram account on your device. Now first of all, before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to update the Instagram application to the latest version. Now first of all, make sure that you're logged in. Now what you have to do next is you have to open the Instagram application. Next, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon, which is right at the bottom in the right hand side corner. Now on this following page, tap on the try bar icon or the three dash icon, which is right on top in the upper right corner. Now as soon as you tap on the try bar icon, down there you can see a pop-up window. Now from here you have to tap on settings, which is right on top. So next, on the other page you will land inside settings, and under it you can see multiple options. Now from here you have to tap on help, which is on the third last step. So next, on the other page you have to tap on help center. So on the other page you will land inside help center, and under it you can see a lot of options. Now what you have to do is tap on the try bar icon or the three dash icon, which is right on top. So once again you will land inside help center, and down there you can see multiple options. Now on the second option you can see manage your account. Simply tap on it. So once again you will land inside help center, and down there you can see multiple options. Now on the fifth step you can see delete your account. Tap on it. So as you tap on delete your account, down there you have information or the statement about deleting your account. Now you must go through it carefully, and under statement you can see three different options. On the second option you can see delete your Instagram account, and just next to it you can see a small arrow icon. Just simply tap on it. Now as soon as you tap on the arrow icon, down there you can see information. Now what you have to do is scroll down and then go through the following statement. Now in case if you're using iOS device, now down there you can see option for iOS, that is Instagram app for iPhone. Now in case if you're using Android device or PC, so you need to tap on instagram.com for mobile browser or computer. Now what you have to do is do the same process, that is tap on the arrow icon, which is right at the corner. Now as soon as I tap on the arrow icon, down there you can see points, and right on top on the first point you can see delete your account. Just tap on it. So once again on the other page you have a statement. Now here it says that your account won't be deleted permanently for at least 30 days. Only after 30 days it will be deleted. Now under it you have to give a reason. So now what you have to do is tap on the arrow icon, which is right at the corner. Now from here you have to select a reason. Now as soon as you select the reason, down there you have to re-enter your password in order to confirm your identity. Now what you have to do is you have to enter the password that is linked with your current account. Now once you're done entering the password, all you have to do is tap on delete, which is right at the bottom. Now once again, in order to confirm, tap on OK. And here as you can see that the account has been deleted. And now this is how you can delete your Instagram account on your device. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.